How to stop Messenger scene. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to stop Messenger from showing scene on Android. So now, without further ado, let's get started. But before we begin anything, let me tell you that Messenger does not have an official option to fully disable the read receipts. However, there are a few tricks that you can use to read messages without showing scene. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with the method 1, that is to use the airplane mode. So this is one of the most reliable method. So here, when you receive a message, don't open Messenger. Otherwise, what you can do is just turn on the airplane mode, and after that, now you can simply open the Messenger and read the messages. And once you're done reading it, you can simply close the Messenger completely and simply turn off the airplane mode again. Because there is no internet, Messenger won't send the scene status. And with that, moving forward to the method 2, that is to read from notification panel. So here, if the message is short, you can simply swipe down to open your notification, and there you can simply read the message preview, and there you just don't tap or open the chat, and in this way the sender won't see the same status. And with that, moving forward to the method 3, that is to restrict the background data. So you can limit Messenger internet access. So what you can do is simply go to the settings, and here once you are inside the settings, you can simply scroll down and tap on apps, and now here in this section you can simply tap on manage apps, and from here you can simply search for the Messenger app and simply tap on it to open it. And now here, once you are inside the Messenger app, what you can do is simply tap on the data usage option, and now here what you can do is simply turn off the background data option, and this will help to reduce scenes update, but it may delete or delay the messages. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.